I'm so excited to make these gelatin air fresheners with you. It is so quick, it's so easy, it's so colorful. It's one of the easiest aromatherapy recipes you can make. Well, hello there. My name is Jenny. I'm having so much fun getting outside of my comfort zone and challenging myself to make things that I've never made before to support an all-natural lifestyle, get rid of those toxins, keep the air fresh and clean, get those aromatics in the air, and enjoy the benefit of that passive diffusion. This is so simple. I used all different kinds of containers, different sizes for the air fresheners. They're very, very aromatic. Okay, so we have our container. We're gonna put our gel air freshener in. We have our 3 oils, our jasmine absolute, we have our frankincense sakura, and our sweet orange. We have our 2 colors here. We've got our beef gelatin. We have our blood orange hydrosol. We are ready to go. So let's go ahead and blend this up. Now you can use agar-agar, but I have not experimented with that, but you can do that if you would like a vegan option. So in this particular gel air freshener recipe, we are working with 1 cup of liquid. So let's go ahead and blend this up. I'm gonna measure in my 1/4 cup of blood orange first. Now I'm just gonna pop it right back in the fridge. I'm gonna have a long shelf life with this blood orange. So we have our 1/4 cup of blood orange hydrosol in here. It smells gorgeous. Now we're gonna put water, boiling water. Now I need my 2 teaspoons of gelatin. All right, stir, stir, stir. Okay, now that we've got the gelatin in here, we are going to add in our color. Okay, so we need 2 teaspoons of our natural color. Are you ready? It is so blue. Look at that. Isn't that blue so gorgeous? Let's do green and see what happens. It's darker. It's going to a darker blue. So let's go ahead and do our drop by drop blending. We're gonna do our 5 drops of our jasmine, which is gorgeous. So let's blend this in here. I'm gonna bring it closer to smell it. Oh, that smells so good. Let's go ahead and do our 10 drops of sweet orange. I'm gonna blend that up right there. That is beautiful. That is so beautiful. Okay, let's do our 10 drops of frankincense. Okay, so I've got my container here. I'm gonna pour this right in here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. How cute is this? The green is all down there in the bottom. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the green because we don't like to waste stuff and pour it back in here. A little water in here, just a little bit. Get that green going because we don't want to waste anything. This is now beautiful. What we call that, turquoise? I love that color though. Wow, that is so cool. Isn't that fun? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the refrigerator. Within 1 to 2 hours, it will firm up just like the ones we made before. Look at this pink. This is the head over heels blend. This was our ignite blend. Eye of the tiger blend. This was our sleep blend that we did. And then this one is our focus blend in yellow. And that's all I have for now. We will see you soon. Bye for now.